So here's your weekend shop update. It's doing this video in two parts. First part is just been out here for about an hour and taking the whole day. I'm not gonna work on any customers' projects. I got so busy the last week and everything's just piling up. So I got Deanna here helping me. She's over in the other building cleaning up the laser engraver CNC room. I'm in the main shop today and it's just cleaning day. So here's a little picture of what the shop looks like now. I know it's blurry, but there's the workbench. I started right there, so it's kind of clean. I'm going this way. I've just been organizing wood, but as you can tell, the rest of the shop is just a disaster. So working my way around, just getting on top of stuff. I've been doing all these little projects, and like I said, when you're working on a little project, a little bit of sawdust, a little bit of offcuts, you start pulling tools out, and as you pull tools out, I'll set it right here. I'll use it in a minute when I need it again. The next thing you know, you got tools everywhere. Clamps. The clamps are just scattered everywhere. So once I start working, I hate stopping to clean. It's just a bad habit I have. So this is the first part of the video. As you can see, the shop is trashed. I'm going to pause the camera, work for a few hours. We have plans this afternoon, so plans to work just nonstop on cleaning till 11. I apologize if you're waiting on your product, but it's going to wait. It's going to have to wait another day because I just can't keep working. I got to stop and clean. We used to do this all the time when Damien was with me before he went to college. And we spent every Saturday that was just a clean day. So I need to get back in that habit because it just gets crazy. So pause the video for a few hours, come back, and I'll show you the final video once the shop's cleaner. So it's now 3 hours later. Been working nonstop and haven't really got that much further. Been doing a lot of organizing. We went through and redid the French cleat wall, went through the cabinets, cleaned those out. Kind of hard to tell, but I went through, organized the clamps, did that kind of stuff. Back way over there, I cleaned out all the organized wood, filled my truck up full of scrap wood. So I have all this I gotta clean up still, all that on the bench gotta clean up still. So that's still got a lot to do. I did get outside the shop picked up, got a lot of the wood that's been just kind of acquiring and building up done. I did have, luckily I had my friend Deanna came out and she helped for 3 hours. She was here and she has to go too. So I'd rather be in there than cleaning. It'd be nice to get all this dust off, but so I apologize if you're expecting your product to be turned over on Monday or Tuesday. It's gonna be midweek or late week now because I got to get this cleaning done. Now I'm committed. Now everything's tore up. It's something I got to be back at. But Deanna said she can come back out next weekend and start spending more time out here. But in the laser building, CNC room, we are looking really good in here. She went through and cleaned all this, got all the dust off, even cleaned down below there. Organized this stuff, went through, cleaned the dust collector, organized all the stuff on here. This is a project I got coming up from my buddy Steve. This is for his display rack for the World War II sand from the beaches. Went through, got all this kind of cleaned out. Let me see. All the spray cans away, cleaned up all there, took the trash out, wiped all that stuff down for the most part. But yeah, kind of fast because I was supposed to be in the shower 10 minutes ago. We're going wine tasting later today. Dana's forced me to go out and have some fun, so it's just a nice break. I think as of noon today, just shy of 80 hours for the week between city job, woodworking. I had one gun class, one-on-one training with the gun, and then I did 2 photo shoots this week. So just around 80 hours, almost 80 hours. So one last thing before we go is this week, I'll be releasing the grill scrapers. I got a bunch cut out in the CNC. I'm going to try and get these knocked out, get them posted for sale. I know I talked about those about a month or so ago. Got busy, but now I'm going to get those taken care of. So, but anyway, that's it for the weekend shop update. Hope everyone has a good week. And I did put out the video. I posted a video. Oh, I did a video on what is a Dutchman and what is a bow tie. So I got those videos. That video was put out Saturday. So you guys were asking questions. What does that mean? What is a Dutchman? What's a bow tie? So I explained that in more detail there. So anyway, have a great week and I'll see you guys next week.